Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to FX.GOLDSMITH's breakdown of basically just what happened over today's New York session. So just for the Discord group here, I've marked up some levels on the chart so that this will be a little more time efficient, and hopefully I can post this video in the Discord channel directly. So um, 4-hour time frame again, created a low, little support here, new high. Let's look on the 1-hour time frame, see what we see. Up here at 1920 is where we had the previous hourly resistance from the other day. Asian session closed above the 1915s. Like I said, had those kind of short-term counter trend buys to 1920, which ended up tapping in today's session. Down here on the, actually, let's go back to the hour. So you have these three kind of zones, very minor zones. Here is a no trade zone, 10, 12 pips. Depending on where you get your closures and entries at 20 pips, you could take advantage of. But price came down from 5 to 6 and didn't close below on the hourly time frame. So you'd have to drop down here. Okay, we got a closure below at 6 to 6:30. NYSE open here actually pushed down, I believe broke this low first, therefore no entry. But once it retraced, gave you top wick, failed to break the previous high and then flipped again, is when actually I took an entry on that. So I managed to secure some positions around the 1913 mark, this zone here, and the rest got stopped out at break even. Essentially looking at 30-minute as well, you've got 35 some impulses move from 1920 all the way down here to 1913, so 60, 70 pips without making a new high. So this is what we were looking for, and had I still been around the charts at this time, this is your bread and butter, excuse me, setup for New York session. This looks like a retest play, something that I take all the time, something that if you looked on my Instagram, you'd see a lot of retest plays. So, the thing I like about retest plays too is your risk to reward is good. You're selling at the high, right? So you're risking 10, 12 pips for 30 pips and potential continuation all the way down to lower time frame or higher time frame targets here. Sorry. So this would have been your really good move today. You could have taken some impulsive moves here, but again, lots of news catalysts today. So it was kind of a choppy morning. Even here too, when you get that closure below and you get this new high created on the 15-minute, ideally it would have been created up here first. So having this become now a support was a little bit tricky too. So really just a patience day today. And if you caught some of these moves down, or if you're counter trend and caught some of these moves up, then congratulations. Today wasn't the easiest day to trade. So yeah, pretty much this move down is something that we were looking at, or something that we could have taken advantage of had we been on the charts. But all in all, a pretty irregular day on the charts for price action today. I will post a weekly analysis later on this week, give us some idea of where we can go for next week. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Enjoy your weekend.